We are learning ordinal numbers. Good. Let's see what we have here. We have numbers. Now let's say the ordinal position. Say it with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So we have first to ninth, 9 numbers here. Now we are going to see in what position, what is the ordinal position of each of these numbers. We have number 1. Number 1 is the first number. How do you spell first? F-I-R-S-T, first. Say it again. F-I-R-S-T, first. Number 1 is the first number. Next, you have number 8 here. Let's see in ordinal position. Where does it come? 8. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. 8 is the 8th number. Spell 8. E-I-G-H-T-H. 8. Say it again. E-I-G-H-T-H. 8. 8 is the 8th number. Look, we have another number here. 5 is, let's look at the position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5. Number 5 is the 5th number. Spell 5th. F-I-F-T-H. 5th. Say it again. F-I-F-T-H. 5th. Number 5 is the 5th number. Next, look at this number. Number 2. Let's see what position that comes. Number 2. First, second. Number 2 is the second number. Spell second. S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. Spell second again. S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. Number 2 is the second number. Now let's see. Number 4. Let's see the position of 4. First, second, third, fourth. In the ordinal order, number 4 is the 4th number. What is 4? 4 is the 4th number. Spell 4th. F-O-U-R-T-H. 4th. Spell again. F-O-U-R-T-H. 4th. Number 4 is the 4th number. Good. Let's look at this. There's number 3. Let's look at the ordinal position. First, second, number 3 is in the 3rd position. So we write 3 is the number 3 is the 3rd number. Number 3 is the 3rd number. Let's spell third. T-H-I-R-D. Third. Say it again. T-H-I-R-D. Third. Number 3 is the 3rd number. Finally, we have a number here, 7. Let's find the position according to your ordinal number. Say with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Number 7 is in the 7th position. So we say 7 is the 7th number. 7 is the 7th number. Spell 7th. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. TH, seventh. Say it again. SEVENTH, seventh. Let's read the position of each of these numbers. Number 1 is the first number. Number 8 is the eighth number. 5 is the fifth number. 2 is the second number. 4 is the fourth number. 3 is the third number. And 7 is the seventh number. Did you learn ordinal position of numbers? Good.